Okay, let's see here. Let's just jump right on over here into it. Hey, everybody. Welcome to the video. Oh, hey, Imperial Custom Printing. You're going to like this one. This will be one that you will like. Y'all, today we are going to learn how to embed a form. And we're also going to learn how to embed a sheet. For example, you have an Excel sheet or a Google spreadsheet and you want to put that sheet on your website. I'm going to show y'all how to do it in this video. Okay. There I go dropping stuff. I'll show y'all how to do it in this video. Oh, my phone done went dead. Okay, so no problem, because I'm just going to pull y'all up over here. Pull up these dockers over here so that I can still get the chat over here. Oh, you've been waiting on it. Okay, so today I needed to do it. And today is one of those days when I have to do something, then you guys get to do it, okay? For sure you do. So let's go in here. Thank you. I'm in my kind of jazz mode and trying to update things. And not only am I updating my website, Ken's website, all the websites, but also we need a little update over here on the channel. So if you're new to the channel, then welcome. And y'all, hey, think about subscribing over here. I'm trying to get to 20,000 subscribers. And I want to do it before the year ends. So if we can start off 2024, that would 2025, y'all, 2025, if we could start off 2025, that would be great. So let me jump over into my desktop. And we are over here in the desktop, and what we're going to do, I see y'all right there looking like, oh, there we go. Oh, I can drop this chat. Oh, my stuff look good. I got a place for y'all in the chat now. Dropped y'all down there and I can see what's going on. Okay, so let's just go to my website. I guess we'll go over to my website. I'm gonna put some stuff over here. Well, we'll drop that down. And then let's go over to my website. Here we go. Okay. So here we are over here on LPB's site. And what I wanted to do, y'all, is I have a special that I do. And so at the very top of my site right here where I have these deals and steals, I don't want people calling me and asking me about all of these different, about the inventory, about the overstock inventory that I have. I prefer to put up a sheet so people can see what's on the sheet. And then as I get overstock, I'll just list it there on the sheet, right? And then they can call and say, hey, I saw you have such. So let's jump into that. So here is the overstock sheet, y'all. So I want to set up a sheet, and this is actually a spreadsheet that is on the website. Okay. And it just has different columns with so that people can go on there and they can look. I ain't got to keep going to my spreadsheet looking, right? Let me see if I can go to the full desktop view. Bring that over because I want y'all to see everything. See everything that I am seeing. Kind of make it a little bit smaller. So here they have the whole sheet, right? It's nothing over there. But if I want to add pricing and all that stuff, and I probably will. And so they can just go in here and email me about it. And they will get the goods, right? So that's what the video is going to be about. Okay, so let's jump over here, and so let's say that you have an inventory sheet, and here is, as a matter of fact, y'all know I got tons of sheets, Well, we ain't gonna upload that sheet, but we'll upload, let's see. We will upload a sheet. Let's go into, so the first thing I want to tell you is if your sheet is in, if you have an Excel sheet, the easiest way to upload the Excel sheet is to upload it to your Google Drive, and then from the Google Drive, embed it, because otherwise you got to do all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how to do the Excel sheet, and I'm going to also show you how to do a Google form. So let's go into, because we know we got sheets. So let's go here into one of my sheets. So let's say, for example, we gotta find something that ain't really got no information on it. Let's see here. We don't want the email list. Well, I'll just show y'all the inventory calculator. Let's just upload that. Okay, let's just upload the Lady Print Boss calculator, y'all. Gotta go back and edit the video now. Damn. Okay, so we're gonna go here to File. We're gonna go to Share. We're gonna hit Publish Web. We're gonna hit Embed. Okay, in this situation, we're going to embed the whole entire document. You may only have, like, let's say you only want to show like the very front of a spreadsheet, or you just have one sheet in the spreadsheet that you want to share with people. You can upload that, right? Just one. And maybe we will try something, but I'll do it off, and then, because I'm thinking maybe I'll do something with the t-shirt calculator, maybe fix it to where you guys can embed like one sheet. I'll have to go in and kind of decrease some things, and maybe I'll set that up for y'all. But let's go ahead on here. Let's do the whole thing. Now here you have publishing content. You can say restrict the access only to you. So let's say that you want to access your spreadsheet on your website, and you only want access. Then you click on here to only extract it to you. To restrict it only to you, but we want the world to see it, so we're going to hit publish to the web, and it's going to give us this code right here. This is what's called an iframe. The iframe is what you're going to need for whatever website that you have, and all websites have the ability to import iframes and HTML code. So let's just hit Control C and copy that, and now we have it. So let's go over here, and let's say, for example, I'm going to just create us a dummy page over here, which is going to say, let's go here and go add a new page. There are tons of reasons that you could use this, ways that you guys could be able to use this, you know. So let's say, what is this, expense calculator? Expense cal or something like that. I don't remember. Expense planner. Oh, startup planner. Okay. So startup expense planner. Okay. Okay, y'all. So there we have it. So you could, do some little words or whatever it is that you want to do here. Now from right here, most people, what they'll do, you might just go here and paste that, right? I'm going to show y'all what that's going to look like. Yes, it would be really, really cool. So we ain't got nothing, basically. So you can't do that. Okay. So here you would have to add in, they have plugins that you can buy to add in HTML quoters and to add in your HTML right here. And we should be able to add contact form, add This one right here is very, very basic and does not have much of anything. we're going to go into Elementor because most of you guys do have, if you have the, I may go over into the other box. If you have the Gutenberg or the classic editor, then you can also use that to embed. We're going to go here and we're just going to add a structure. I'm just going to make it wide for right now. And then up in here, y'all, in case y'all don't know, Elementor has changed up a bunch of stuff. Baby, it'll wore me out, okay? Why would they do that? So let's get rid of this up here first of all. And right here, y'all, for some reason on my particular settings, I have to add this space because of the way that I have things set up here, or else it's just everything is a hot mess. Okay, so here we go. That's that one. This would be this. So in Elementor now, the stuff is not right here by default. You got to hit this little plus sign. If your version has not upgraded, don't worry, honey. They're going to hit you with the 1-2 punch too eventually. Okay. So I'm just going to pop that right there. And then you can take that code that you have and you paste the code right here. Oh, sorry, y'all. You not paste the code. No. Not paste the code. Not paste the code. That is not what you do. That is not what you do. We go right here and we type in HTML because it does not come up by default. So we're going to type that in there. Okay. Now that one right there, we can go on and get rid of that. If we want it, we can leave it there. But this is what we need. We need that HTML. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add paste. Okay. And you see it there. Okay. Automatically. Now I'm going to show you guys what the preview of this looks like. So right now, this is what this looks like. It's not big enough for us to do anything. So we have to go in here and add us some stuff to this to make this work. Okay. So we're going to go in and we're going to add us some stuff that's going to make it work for us. So I'm going to go back here. And now we have in here, and let me just put it into my text editor. So we have our source code, which is super small for y'all to see. But at the end of the source code, you're going to have to add, if you want the headers, if you want whatever you want. So at the very end of where it says, let me see if I can, let me open up a notepad. Okay. So let's go here and let's paste. And hopefully y'all can see a little bit better now. So this is pretty much what your iframe looks like, right? As you go in. Okay, so now where you have headers, it says false, and then up underneath that false, right next to that false, you're going to put a space, and then you can type your width. And then you can say, and it should be lowercase. Okay, for you to get this to be the size that you want it to. So your width will equal, and then in parentheses, 100%. Where's my percentage sign? Okay. And then you want to put and then space, and then do your height, HEI. Make sure everything is spelled right. height, and your height will equal whatever you want it to be. In this case, we're going to say like 600. Let's do height equals 600. Okay. And then we should be fine. So we have this extra asterisk here that we need to take off. This extra apostrophe. We should be fine now. So I'm going to go back and copy this in there. And then you can just always adjust that. Okay. So copy that in here. Let's take that one off and retry it. And hopefully we got something that we can work with. Unable to open the file at this time. Why? That's okay. That's okay. It'll open. Let me see, did I do something with it wrong? Hold on, y'all. Okay. Hold on. I'm looking at it. Iframe source, Google Documents, da 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 da. That should be it. Let's just refresh this page and see. Because sometimes stuff happens. Maybe I got the page open. All kinds of stuff. Okay. Let's go back in and the startup planner. Let's hit the edit button right here. Go back into the code. Let's take it and pop it, paste it over here. And I'm going to see. Let's see here. It won't even let me copy. Control C. You ain't gonna let me copy something. Okay. What the hell is going on here? Let me go back into here. I'm gonna paste this again. Okay. So there's a frame. Oh, headers false. False equals false. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's what's missing. There we go. That should be it. Headers equals false, and then we got our space. Our width equals 100% equals 600. Okay, we should be good. We should be good, y'all. Let me try to paste that back off in there now. Sometimes copy, edit, paste. There we go. Okay, there you go. There y'all go. Okay, so now you have it here. Now you can go in and you can add something above this, add something below it or whatever, but you got your thing. Remember, I had that one side that I was trying to, I didn't cover it all the way up, but now your spreadsheet is actually off in here for you to do whatever you need to do. And all you got to do is publish it and you're good. Next, I'm going to show you guys. Let's go ahead and let's have a look and see what we're working with. Wasn't that easy? So let's say, for example, you had a spreadsheet and you wanted to put up just basic pricing or something. And as you edit pricing, now I'm going to show you guys another way in another video. I'll come back in and show you guys how to embed it to where you, well, let's see. Hold on. Okay, so this is the cost planner. And right now, our computer equipment is a one-time cost of $900. Let's go over to here and see if we update our computer equipment, how long it takes it to update over here, or if it will update at all, because it should update. Let's go in, let's refresh. We have not updated yet, so let's give it a minute. It will update though, y'all, so this should update. We'll come back to it. We'll come back to it. We'll give it a minute and we'll let it update, because this should be linked, should link directly to, because we're actually in the Google Drive, so it will update the information. Maybe we have to, maybe it's waiting on me to close it out. We don't want that online. Let me close it out and see if, no, we're not going to do that. We're just going to close it out and see if it updates. Let's move that. Dang. Okay. Let's close it out and we'll come back. We'll let that sit for a minute and we'll go ahead and we'll do our next page and we'll see if it updates. And if it doesn't update, I'll come back and fix it, figure it out. But it should go ahead and update for y'all. Oh, did we publish it? Did I publish it? Thought we published it. Okay. Well, we know it's published now. So we'll come back. I'm going to go ahead and star that under, we'll just start under online apps right now. Okay, so let's go in and let's create a new page. Well, let's just go over to, because I don't know if it's necessary for me to really just show you guys the forms. Okay, so let's go over here and let's go into a form. Hey. Oh, where you find it, baby?
It's in the dishwasher. It didn't come off.
Oh, turn the light on. Let me see.
It didn't come out, did it?
Turn the light on. Let me see. Let's take a good look at it.
Huh?
Turn the light on. Let me take a good look at it. No, it didn't, but the bottom of my cup, my ink on the bottom of my cup, my paint coming off down there,
No,
but my
that's
print.
dishwashing soap. You gonna wipe that off, it'll come out.
Let me see. Now that's the I thought I was gonna have to go. Look, y'all, Ken washed my cup in the dishwasher. I've been looking for it. Babe,
Yeah.
what you want to eat for lunch or for dinner?
Whatever you make.
Take out those crab legs.
Alright.
Is Z gone?
No.
Live the experience. Where are the memories? It's still good, y'all. I've been looking for this thing for a minute. Okay. So, okay. So let's see what type of form. Beginners get started with email marketing. Let's say, for example, I want to upload this registration form. And instead of them clicking on the form, and it's just a quick little easy form. Let's see what the form looks like. Here's the preview of the form. So this is what the form looks like. It's just very simple form, right? So we can actually go in and upload this form. So let's go back here. And we got one response on there, so we're not going to worry about that. Let's go here. See how the responses are done. That's I'm just making sure. Okay. Let's go here to send. So when you create a Google form, you got 3 ways to share it. You can share it via email, you can share it via link, or you can embed it. Normally what I do is I always share my forms doing a link, and then I shorten the form right there. So that allows me to share it if I want to share it on if I want to share it on Facebook, or if I want to share it on Instagram or anything like that. And if you want a custom form name, you can go over here to Bitly, and then you can take that name and go in here. Let's see here, and you can, I'm not going to go through and do it all, but you can go in here and you can create a link, right? A custom link. So let's say that I wanted that form name to be email list form, right? Instead of me having this, it would have Bitly email list form. If you wanted to not have the Bitly link, then you would pay for the Bitly subscription. So anyway, so you got this, and then you got these links right here where you can just go straight and share your forms on Facebook or Twitter. But in this instance, we want to embed it. And so here is where you would embed your source code. Now I'm going to take this, I'm going to copy it and show you guys a little bit difference, because over here it's a little bit different. So this is our second form. So let's paste the form. And you will notice that here they already give you the height and the width, so you don't have to go in and do that where I put it in there, where I had to do it as far as the spreadsheet, because it does come in there. So you can change this width and this height, right, to where you make it whatever. We're just going to take it and put it in there, copy it, go over here to our dashboard, go over here to our pages. We'll put it in the same page, because I'm just going to delete the page afterwards. What was that page name? Expenses. Pay your invoice. I don't even know where the page is. There was something about an expense. Let's see if it takes me to the page. Startup expense calculator. Okay. So let's just go here and click and edit this, and then put our information over there. Okay. So in this instance, we're just going to add something here. Go ahead, add that there. Now the key is that you do have to add it as text. So it could be a text header, it could be inside text, inner text, a text, whatever, but you got to have text, right? And so go in, put our HTML here, drag it and drop it in over there, and then pop in that code, and there is our form. Okay, now once somebody goes in here, let's go ahead and let's publish it. And we still need to make sure that our other form down here is updating. There it is, it has updated. So it did take it a minute, but it's updated. Okay, yo, play games if you want to. Stop sleeping on the T-Babe, okay? I know why Ken found. I know why my husband went and found my cup. That means him looking for his, y'all. This is the UV DTF printing on this one right here. It still looks good. It still looks good. Just a little quick break. So this one is the UV DTF printing on this one, and as y'all can see, he washed it in the dishwasher. I ain't seen my cup in a minute. This one is old school Oracle permanent vinyl. I don't know why people don't use the Oracle, why they think that, y'all, my nails look a mess. why they think that they can't use this. I've seen people use the vinyl and then they turn around. When did I do this for Ken? For Father's Day. So Father's Day was in June. He been using this, y'all. He puts his stuff in dishwasher and all that stuff. I don't put mine in dishwasher. Now right here, this little piece right here has always been a problem from the time that I made this cup. Right? That little piece right there, it's always been a problem. But other than that, he's doing real good with this cup. So if you're doing one color designs and you got a cricket or a silhouette, hey, yeah, he wants his cup back. That's what's going on. He wants his cup back. Okay. If you're enjoying the video, make sure that you guys give it a thumbs up over there. Okay. Yeah, he wants his cup. That's what's going on. So a Google form is embedded in here. Let's go ahead, and we already published it. So we can go over here and we can preview it. And let's go ahead and add some information to it. Or we'll just put my email. And put my information. Always go in and check your form. Now, there's one downfall with this form. With Google Forms is if you are going to use a Google form on your website, you cannot upload via the Google form to your website. Okay, so if your form has, let's just go ahead and submit that. See, it's going to tell you thank you for submitting, and then beginner's guide to blah blah blah. Let's see here. Let's cancel this, and there is another response from me right there. And we can click on our sheet. Yeah, I think I done deleted that sheet, so I'll have to go in and add that sheet back. But anyways, that's pretty much it, y'all, on how you can embed your forms and things like that into your WordPress website. Now, let me see if y'all want to play with the t-shirt calculator, getting it up in here. Let's see. Let me see what I can do. Because you got drop downs and macros. Let's see. Let's see. How far y'all want to take it? Y'all want to go down the rabbit hole? Oh, this is going to be a quick video. Remember, it's supposed to be a quick video. If you want to go down the rabbit hole, tell me, and we'll go down the rabbit hole. If y'all don't want to go down the rabbit hole and you got it, we'll just go ahead and chill with it right now. But we've gotten pretty much, you guys have gotten the gist of how all of that works. Let me see. Any questions? Anybody got any questions on if you got questions, let me know. Y'all, I can't keep a phone charged for nothing to save my life. I can't keep a phone charged for nothing. So that y'all can follow along with the video. Hey, there we go. I know y'all can hear. Okay, so there is the that was the video for that. Okay, so I think we have did everything that we needed to do, y'all, in this video for to get all of this stuff done.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Don't Know Which I Runs Yet.
I need to work on shipping
pictures to create new
and y'all can hear I can hear a double loop. So let's see here. I need to work on shipping. I still have not done the shipping stuff as of yet. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see here. Okay. We're going to go ahead and exit up out of today's video, y'all, because I am a little bit tired. And let's see if our outro comes in. Y'all stay bossed up till next time, okay? I will see you guys in the next video. I think I'm just going to go ahead and put this shipping stuff in here, and maybe I will do a pre-recording. Talk to y'all in the next one. Y'all have a blessed one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I am trying to get to 20,000 before the new year. So help me get there.